is this? The Powertrains 2.0 Train and Quarry Set from Jakks Pacific. Wow, this looks like a really cool toy, doesn't it? They've got this little dump truck you can move around, used to haul rocks. There's a remote control so you can make the train stop as it approaches the platform. Holy crap, this set looks awesome! But a motorized train set with a remote control for less than 40 bucks? Gotta be a catch, right? Well, yeah, there is. Actually, there are two big ones. But more about that later in the video. You can also pull a dump truck in from the side to force open the trapdoor. Crank the handle to make the conveyor move the rocks up so you can drop them down the hopper. This set includes 15 feet of track, so you're going to need a good chunk of floor space to lay this set out, and not on top of carpeting. The directions are printed in plain English, but somehow that doesn't make them any easier to follow. But that's why we're here, to help you get it put together. Oh, hello, Byron. Are you here to inspect? Can I see your badge, please? He says we're all good. Okay, so get this, you're going to need a total of 7 AAA batteries altogether. But right now, to finish building the platform, we need 2 AAAs to power the searchlight. The instructions show that you need to attach a straight piece to the platform, but there's almost zero guidance about how to assemble the track, so watch closely. Except for the intersection, there are really only 2 kinds of section of track, straight or curved. Alright, the track's put together. We'll dump these rocks into the quarry and head back to the battery situation. The remote control. That takes 2 more AAA batteries, so that's 4. Okay, the train. Getting batteries into this thing is a task, and you're going to need a jeweler's screwdriver to get out the tiny Phillips head screws that are holding on to battery covers. This tool is not included with the set. You might be able to get one as part of an eyeglasses repair kit. I managed to use a flathead, but you really ought to be using a Phillips head here because the screws are super small. So 1 AAA in the train. Then you gotta take apart the first boxcar and jam 2 more AAAs in there. Okay, that's all the batteries, finally. Putting together the hopper car, flatbed, and caboose is actually very difficult because the pieces are so small and light. It might actually be impossible if your hands are too big. Very difficult. Alright, showtime. Here we go. What? Are you kidding me? The rocks don't even come close to landing in the hopper car. That's quite a miscalculation on the physics there, guys. You have to physically move the base away from the track to get them to fall in right. So basically, every time you go around the track, you have to reattach the base. That's pretty bad. Beyond how small the pieces of this toy are, they're also very light. Too light to be able to play with like you want to. Like here, you have to hold the base with your other hand to get the trapdoor to open. And there's not much room for your fingers to work. The pieces don't have enough weight. The dump truck, the conveyor, it's very difficult to play with. The parts are just too chintzy. So between that and the poor design of the base, there's no way to play with this toy in any practical way. Very frustrating. I wouldn't recommend this set to anyone I liked. Anyway, it's put together. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to see more of our assemblies.